send those to me, the pictures of fireworks. I have a secret invisible phone I know there, lab, in my closet.
You don't have a phone. You don't have a phone for a long time. So
Oh, I have a phone. Visible.
you're not going to start acting like you're talking about an imaginary fake phone that somebody uses.
I
wouldn't
have...
even let her do that.
What?
Would you?
What? What?
Caleb started that?
I don't know.
Hey.
Yeah, it would.
Hey, if I had a phone, I would give it to Nathan, and I would call Justin Bieber. I know his phone number.
I'm sure, babe, look at that. I'm sure you know Justin Bieber's phone number.
Not cool. So don't even think about it.
Oh, yes.
That one was awesome.
Yeah.
Half orange and half blue.
That was hair. That was like a visible house.
Wow, that thing's way up.
Hey, Dad. I have a visible phone in my
Caleb, I don't care. No, you don't. You don't have a phone and you don't have an imaginary lap.
Visible what?
I'm sure he has an imaginary lab. It's imaginary.
It's not imaginary. There's a visible door I can see. I turn the thing. I go in my lab, get my phone. I can reach all the way down there because I can. Here, Mom.
I just gulped it.
I'll give it to Mom. I'll do like, ow. I'll be like, can I please have it?
Stop.
I'll be like that. Wow, fun time. Making a video of them.